If you're worried about AI replacing a lot of well-paying jobs, here's what you can do to stay ahead.
Number one, AI is not going to replace humans, at least not anytime soon. But the new economy will reward people who know how to use AI tools to enhance their jobs. So just like you have to learn how to use software tools to be more efficient in your job, you'll need to learn how to use AI as well. But that doesn't mean you have to be afraid of it.
Number two, AI can never replace the ability to build human relationships and to build trust. Sure, it can write ad copy and it can write email copy pretty well and it'll get better at it, but when it comes to making human decisions, you need that level of trust. So sales, negotiation, managing complex projects, all of these things apply. So if you're gonna build any skill this year, focus on building your communication skills.
Finally, number three, don't feel like you have to be the world expert in AI right now. Things are going to be changing rapidly over the next couple of years, and so focus on exploring how these AI tools work now. Play around with free tools, because exploration alone can make you more of an expert than 80 to 90% of the population.
So if you're looking to advance your career in tech and you want to stay ahead in your skill set, follow us for more content like this.